Internet. In this video, I want to talk about how this garage can be transformed into a dream garage, and I need your help to do it. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. If you like some garage time in your off time, if you like do-it-yourself projects, if you like working on your own car, even a project car, if you like organizing your garage, then Scott's Garage is a place for you. All of my do-it-yourself projects begin here in my garage. Welcome to my channel. So, we recently moved from Texas to Montana. I packed up all my tools in Scott's Garage and workbenches and all of our earthly possessions and loaded them into the largest U-Haul truck available, the 26-footer, and traveled the 1,500 miles from Texas to Montana. Now, our home in Texas was brand new. We were the first owners. But as you know, the garage was quite small. Now, our new home in Montana is an older home. It was built in the 1980s, but it was very well built. This garage obviously is unfinished and has been for 40-some years. Some look at a garage like this and say, you're better off just not to finish it. It's not worth it. I totally disagree. I look at this garage and see great potential. I see a dream garage. I see the new Scott's Garage. Now, I have a lot of ideas on how to make this into a dream garage, but that's not what this video is all about. In this video, I want to get your input on what you would do to make this into a dream garage. I can't pay you anything, but I will read all the comments and suggestions, and if I end up using one of your ideas, I will give you a shout out in an upcoming video. So let me give you more details about this unfinished garage in order for you to better give me your input. Now, my garage in Texas was a new garage, but it was only 19 feet by 20 feet, which was the main reason I had to create unique storage space there. Now, this older unfinished garage is 24 feet by 24 feet, which really is a nice size for a garage, in my opinion. In addition to the extra 200 square feet of space, the ceiling is taller. My garage in Texas was only an 8-foot ceiling. This ceiling is 9 feet. There is a 1-foot footer all the way around the perimeter, and then 8 feet to the ceiling, which should work out nicely for paneling or plywood or drywall, or whatever you recommend might work. Also, this is Montana, so in order to work in this garage during the winter months, I need it to be insulated. I've done my own research, but I'm looking for your input. Please note that these are only 2x4 walls, which limits the types of insulation. So if you have any experience in insulating homes or garages, I need your input. So what type of insulation should I use? Should I use a closed foam system, which is tighter, or go with an open foam system, which is cheaper, but not quite as effective? Should I use standard fiberglass insulation? Or should I use wool insulation like rock wool? Should it be blown in or batted? And then what about insulating and finishing the ceiling? Should I create an attic space above, an access point, drywall the ceiling, and then spray in insulation on top of that? Or should I look into getting a drop ceiling with insulated panels? I could also use rib metal for the ceiling or PVC roofing panels or drywall or just insulation. Please give me your input. Then there's the lighting. I have a lot of my own ideas for the lighting. Well, what about you? What would you do? What kind of lights would you use? How many outlets would you put in and sockets? Please leave a comment. And then after insulating the walls and the ceiling, what should I use to finish the walls? Would you recommend drywall, like the wall that's shared with the house? Or paneling? Or plywood? And if plywood, what thickness? So help me transform this ordinary, unfinished garage into a dream garage. If you leave a suggestion and I end up using your idea, again, I will give you a shout out in a special video. Now, this video is the first video on a new playlist on Scott's Garage called My Dream Garage. Please look for other videos that come out on this playlist. Now, if you got any value at all from this video, please give me a thumbs up. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And if you're not subscribed, why not subscribe? And as usual, have a great day.